asuntoskeittiö Näyttelijäntien pistetalot.
Today is the 22nd of November 2023. Here's Näyttelijäntie skådespelaren 6 here. But this is just Haaga or...
Ja, Pohjois-Haaga.
Yeah, Pohjois-Haaga or Haaga. Keski-Helsingfors in Finland. The rest is 3 persons of 200 quickness. Yeah, so the push up. Slightly the elevator was priced, but still 6th floor short. It's upgraded probably because it doesn't say when it was. Antinkoski in late 1980s, built in 1954 by Kone originally. Turning 70 years old in next year, 2024, when it's going to be inspected. And the number is H5893. The capacity is 3 persons and 25 grams. 1 or 2, right?
2.
Yeah. As a green first floor button for the main floor.
Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus. That's